Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine how large your hard drive is on your macOS device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to start by just left clicking on the Apple icon at the top left corner of our desktop screen, and then you want to select About This Mac. And then once this next page opens here, you want to select the Storage tab. And then it should say how much is available out of a certain amount here, and you can see the numbers also down here. This is how large your hard drive is, and then it'll also say how much is currently being used. So again, very straightforward tutorial here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.